What's up, Flex fam? Welcome to another video. Pag bago ka dito, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then yung click na rin yung notification bell dun sa gilid para hindi nyo ma-miss yung mga ibang videos ko. And then sa video to, may nag-request kasi na yung taon to, kita niyo yan. Yung taong yan, nag-request siya ng studio tour. So papakita ko na lang yung studio ko. It's gonna be a short video. Hindi lang ako gumawa ng beat. Hindi ako gumawa ng beat sa video to kasi I don't know, medyo mahaba-haba na yung mga videos ko sa channel na to at gusto ko lang ng ibang short vids para sa mga baguhan at hindi lang palaging long videos making type beats. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna make beats again, but for this one it's just gonna be a studio tour. Okay? Enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe. Peace! I don't want you guys to think na kailangan nyo ng mga bagay na ito para gumawa ng beats na katulad ko. I'm just saying na ito yung ginagamit ko and I mostly recommend all the things that I've been using. Alright, so first off, what I got is some keyboard. Just a regular keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard lang, and a Bluetooth mouse. Magkasama tong dalawa, binili ko lang sa Best Buy. Bundle lang siya, so medyo mura lang. Second is tong headphones na to. Binili ko tong headphones na to 2016. It's Audio Technica ATH M50X. It's been I used this until now, pero bumili ako ng bago. Ito yung ito yung bago kong ginagamit ngayon. Yung isa is for for workout or pag nakikinig ako ng mga ibang kanta sa phone ko kasi Bluetooth na nga yan ngayon. Ano pa ba? I don't really have a list yung ginagawa ko tong video na to, so I'm just going off on what I see. Oh yeah, speakers, obviously KRK Rocket 6. It's good. I heard some people na they usually prefer yung Yamaha HS series. Like mga kaibigan kong sila Next Friday, sila nila NGS, mga sila Stacy, Saint, at saka si Pablo Cito. I think they prefer HS8 yung Yamahas. I think they prefer that compared to this one. Pero I use this one kasi nakita ko lang siya sa YouTube. Sa mga favorite producers ko dati, sila Martin Garrix. Ito nakita ko sa studio nila. So, I just bought this kasi nakita ko sa YouTube, di ba? Next is this is a MIDI keyboard, as you may know. Binili ko lang to recently. Ito yung bagong bili ko na gamit ko. It's been used. Binili ko lang to sa Facebook Marketplace kasi nakita ko lang and then it fits sa aesthetic ko. Ito is M Audio Code 25. Used nga to. So, binili ko lang kasi bagay siya, di ba? Puti, and then puti yung background. Puti yan, hindi nyo nakikita. So, yan talaga yung reason ba't ko siya binili. Kasi, yung first MIDI keyboard ko talaga, which is ito, yung Akai MPK Mini. Ito talaga yung pinakauna at ito yung pinakauna binili kong MIDI keyboard. It's still functional. Hindi ko lang talaga ginagamit kasi meron na nga akong ito, medyo malaki siya, tapos may 16 tawag dito, pads, and then 25 key, and then mas versatile. Is that the right word? I think versatile is the right word. I think that's it. No, di pala. Monitor. Itong monitor ko, it's an all-in-one PC na Dell. There's nothing really special about it. Nabili ko lang to kasi I think yung specs niya is it was affordable sa sa budget ko dati, and it was fine. Used pa din to siya, pero it was a second hand PC. Binili ko din to sa Best Buy. I don't know what's it worth right now, pero binili ko lang to kasi it doesn't really take much space, and then it's still working right now. Binili ko to around 2017, 2018 ata, and then it's still working right now. It's kind of slow, pero hopefully mag-upgrade na ako before ako uwi na Pilipinas. And then in terms of sound cards or audio interface, yung ginagamit ko is ito. Papakita ko na sa inyo kasi nilagay ko siya sa baba para hindi siya masyadong nanggugulo dito. So, ito. Wait lang. Yan. Not Audio Technica. It's a Focusrite first gen ata. Focusrite 2i2 first gen. Yeah, nothing really special about it. It works and I bought it kasi ginagamit niya yung mga paborito kong mga tawag dito, mga recording artist. So, in terms of mic naman, ginagamit ko ngayon is yung Bluebird na mic, yung kulay pula. And then, nothing special about it, man. Basic lang yung mga gamit ko. Ito lang ata yung pinakamahal na bili ko. Yung, tawag dyan. Kalimutan ko pangalan niya. Basta, alam niya yan sa mga recording artist, dapat, parang pang shield lang siya sa mic. Ito din, pang shield din to. Pop filter. Nothing really special about my stuff, man. Gusto lang kasi malaman ng fan ko na yung studio tour and all that. There's nothing really special sa mga gamit ko, like I said. Yeah. I think that's it, bro. If you have any questions, specific ones, comment na kayo down below. I will answer it if kaya kong siyang sagutin. And yeah, that's it.
Sage about the flex.